Now, this is a base 16 question. Dead plus beef, base 16. How would you work on something like this? So basically, you need to understand what base 16 um, numbers are. Base 16 numbers start from 0 all the way to 15. And they're special numbers because of the fact that they have letters that describe some of the numbers. For example, 10 to 15 is presented by A, B, C, D, E, and F. So if you have from conversion, you have maybe 110, this should mean that this part here will form 1A base 16. Yeah, that's a base 16 number. So if you want to solve this, let's say you have dead and plus beef in base 16. First things first, we're going to start with D plus F. Now, what is D in base 16? If you check it out, D is 13. So that is 13 plus F is what? F is 15. So 13 plus 15 is going to give you 28. Now 28 is not a base 16 number, so we have to convert it to a base 16 number. And we do that by dividing 28 with 16. So 16 into 28 is going to give you 1 remainder 12. And we know what 12 is, it's a base 16, so we'll work on that later. Then 16 again into 1 is 0 remainder 1. So naturally, you would have written 1, 1, 2 as your base 16 number. But because of this 12 here, we have to impute the actual value of 12 or later representing 12, which is C. So the answer instead of 112 will be 1C. So D plus F, 1C. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put C down and take 1 out. Okay. Now A plus E. A is 10 plus E. E is 13. Sorry, E is 14. If you check it out, E is 14 here. So E is 14. So this is 24. Now plus that 1 up there. So it's going to be 25. 25. That is plus that 1. Let's say plus that 1. 25. Now 25 is not a base 16 number, so we have to convert it. So we have 16 into 25. This is going to give us 1 remainder 9. And then 16 again, 0 remainder 1. Now since 9 does not have any letter attached to it at base 16, our answer is just going to be 9 base 16. So we're going to put 9 down here and take 1 up. And let me clean this for space. Okay. So if we have E plus E, we know that E plus E here is 14 plus 14 in base 16. That is 28. And we got something like this before. When we converted, we got 1C. But remember that we carried 1 up, so it's going to be plus that 1, which is 29. So we're going to convert 29 to base 16 by dividing. So we have 1 remainder 13, and then 16 again, 0 remainder 1. So this 13 is D, and the 1. So basically, our answer is going to be 1D. Now, if you have to check it, you see that 13 is D here. Okay, so we're going to put a D and take 1 up because our answer is 1D base 16. Now, we have to compute again. D plus B, and that plus 1 above. So D is 13 plus B is 11. If you check it out, A is 10, B is 11. So that is going to give you 24 plus that 1 up is 25. So we have to convert 25 to base 16. I think we've done that before. We got 1, 9, but let's do it again. So 25 to base 16 is 1 remainder, this is 9. Then 16 again, the remainder 1. So we have 1, 9 base 16. Remember, we're taking it from down to up. That's what we'll be doing. So our answer here will be 19. Since we're not carrying anything up again, our answer practically will be 19D 9C. That is the solution to dead plus beef in base 16. I'm sure you understand the process.